Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm Erica and tonight I'm cleaning my bedroom. It's after dark and not long before bedtime, but I really want to give some attention to the master bedroom. As parents of toddlers, Dave and I take care of the rest of the house all day every day, and I really wanted to spend a little time making our space extra cozy before bed. I hope you'll spend the 10 minutes of this video to do something nice for yourself along with me. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and enjoy today's music. I'm using Mrs. Meyer's lavender multi-purpose spray, and after I'm finished with that, I'm going to light a calming candle. You can see that I'm wiping down the perimeter of the flooring as well as the baseboards. I need to mop, but I'm saving that for tomorrow, and I'm just getting the dust and the hair.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie.
You can see there's been a lot of dusting and spraying tonight. I have a little bit more of that to do, but at the end you'll see a big mess, so you'll want to stick around for that before and after.
What this is, yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light.
This lavender spray really sticks around and keeps the room smelling nice for at least a day or two, which is really cozy. Do you have any favorite products or sprays for this?
Yeah, I can carry all that you've got. Two heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall. And it's not a lie. tell me of your lies. I will put out all of the fire. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light.
I really wanted to get it right, trying to find some balance in my life, but I never really put up a fight, didn't follow my dreams, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say.
I've mentioned before that this was my childhood toy box, so I'm glad we can still use it with our girls. Do you have any furniture that's been passed along through your family?
'Cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth the while. You will make it in time.
You can really see how dirty this dusting mitt is by seeing the other clean side.
Trying to find some love in this crazy world. I felt like I was never heard. All I wanted is to be loved. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. You will find a way. Slow it down. Dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride. 'Cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth the while. You will make it in time. You'll make it in time.
I forgot to clean these lights when I did my spring cleaning, so I'm going to lightly dust them right now. They could probably use a spray as well, but I'll save that for a time when I'm doing more deep cleaning.
Wow.
This area looks a little worse than it is because the gate is up. We put it up when we bring the girls to our room to play, but I have to take it down when I vacuum or so much dust and debris gets left behind.
Leave my head up in space. Countless nights and days when you are far away, and I know that it's hard, but stay with me tonight. 'Cause when you fall apart, you know I will be around in sunlight or in the night. I'll make it worth your while. We won't hide in the crowd. Just stay with me and I'll make it worth your while. While, while. Make it worth your while. While, while. All the things I would do just to get close to you. There's something about the way you move, and I try to follow you. And I know that it's hard, but stay with me tonight. 'Cause when you fall apart.
Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you spent a few minutes doing something to renew yourself a little bit. I'll see you next time. Bye.